Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is buckle. It's pronounced bu-kle, and it is spelt B-U-C-K-L-E. Think buck and then ul. Buckle has a few meanings. The first is a flat, typically metal frame with a hinged pin, used for joining the ends of a belt or strap. The second is that buckle can also describe the action of doing up a buckle. The third is to bend or give way under weight or force. And the fourth is that buckle is even a type of cake. For example, you could say, the cowboy's belt buckle glinted in the sun. Or, the cowboy buckled his big boots. Or, at the end of the marathon, his legs buckled and he collapsed. Buckle comes from the 13th century word buckle, meaning spiked metal ring for holding a belt. This meaning is the same as today. Buckle's other meaning comes from the French bouclin, meaning to arch the body. If you buckle and bend over, you are arching your body. So the meaning is pretty similar today. Here's some strangely interesting facts about buckles. Buckles were used in ancient Rome by soldiers to fasten together their armor. Knights from the Middle Ages used them in the same way. Buckles were originally reserved only for soldiers or the rich because they were so expensive to make. It wasn't until the 1400s when people were able to create them in a less expensive way. Buckle can be a noun or a verb. For example, you could say the pirate's belt buckle was decorated with a skull, or the buckle cake was delicious. Or you could use it as a verb and say, I buckled my boots, or the bridge shook and then began to buckle. Buckle is defined in the dictionary as a piece of metal at one end of a belt or strap used to fasten the two ends together, or a sweet dish consisting of a layer of cake mixture covered in fruit and then a top layer of flour, sugar, and small pieces of butter baked in the oven, or to fasten or be fastened with a buckle, or to bend something or become bent, often as a result of force, heat, or weakness. Phew, that was a lot of definitions. Don't be overwhelmed, just be quietly aware of them all. Buckle synonyms include catch, clamp, clasp, clip, fastening, harness, cake, fasten, bend, cave in, crumple, and fold. Antonyms include straighten, flatten, smooth, loosen, undo, and withstand. See if you can see a buckle around you now. It could be on a shoe or a belt. Try to use your new word today to describe a belt buckle or something bending or giving way. Or maybe even see if you can make a buckle cake. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.